Recording from one of the messiest bedrooms at the heart of Manila, it's The Agenda Today with Matt Alcantara.
Thank you so much. Those were the voices in my head nga pala. They're clapping and cheering. Please bear with me. Alright, let's get right through this agenda. The putang inang agenda. Our first story, the talk of the town. Si long-haired chinita with glasses na si Alice Guo, mayor of Banban. Bamban. Okay, Bamban. Bamban. Her real identity is the ongoing mystery that every Filipino is intrigued of. Is she a spy? Isa ba siyang decoy ng China? Who knows? Malay natin isa siyang mafia boss or supreme leader ng China in the making. I mean, I'm kidding. She's been given a full-on, one-on-one interview on national television. That's fucking ass, man. And we didn't even get anything from her. Nagde-decline pa rin siya sa mga tinatanong sa kanya, where she came from and anything. I mean, wala tayong nakuha pa rin. Feel ko next week baka live lie detector test na. I mean, we Filipinos haven't been this intrigued on a person since Ori Chef. Oh my God, so scary. Nakakatakot siya nung una though. Senator Miguel Zubiri steps down as Senate President and it got the homies really fucking emotional. I mean, imagine mo, you name yourself after a rock and you're super fragile as a person. Damn. I love emotional men so much. It was reported that some senators plotted a coup against Zubiri to install a senator named after a dairy delicacy.
Cheese! Idol!
Cheese Escudero, boses mo sa Senado.
That's right, mga guys. That's right. Senator Cheese Escudero is now poised to succeed Zubiri for the Senate President seat. Senator Cheese must be jumping from joy right now because not only that he's a politician, he bagged a fashion icon / actress before all that shit. And now, they're living a luxurious life. Well, I mean, di ko alam kung sila pa rin. I mean, I don't give a fuck. I mean, hindi ko masisisi siguro bakit nagplot ng coup against Zubiri. I guess may naalala sila sa kanya at natakot sila.
But no, if you pick a fight with me, I'll fight. I did not become world champion in Arnis for nothing. You want to fight? Tell me how you want to fight. Say it in front of my face. Don't.
Okay, bro. Okay. Chill. Oh my God. He's a world motherfucking champion in Arnis. So fucking intimidating, bro. Celebrity news. Yeah, some showbiz. Scarlett Johansson, known for her roles in Avengers Age of Ultron, Avengers Infinity War, Avengers Endgame, and of course, the box office flop Black Widow. I mean, she's making quite the headlines right now as she is shocked by an AI app that imitates her voice daw. I mean, I can't blame her. Baka may PTSD siya sa movie na Her. Fantastic movie, by the way. Oh, baka nga may PTSD nga siya kasi dahil sa kantutan sin nila ni Joaquin Phoenix. Online kantutan. Bastos. Wushu, gawain naman yan ng mga may LDR o kaya 70% ng Discord community. Si Sam Altman, one of the founders of OpenAI, stated to Johansson daw na he felt her voice would be comforting. Wow, linyahan ko yan ah. And now, Johansson was forced to get lawyers involved. Ay nako, kung kinuha na lang sana nila si Diwata Pares Overload as an AI voice. For our final segment, this one is para ma-motivate ang lahat. This is Words of Spirit. Open up the dirty window. Let the sun illuminate the words that you could not find, reaching for something in the distance, so close you can almost taste it. Release.